I'm Las Vegas criminal defense attorney Michael Becker. My office gets lots of calls from people who've been convicted of a felony or battery domestic violence, and they're wondering if they can get their gun rights back by having their record sealed. Unfortunately, the answer is no. In Nevada, the only way to get your gun rights restored is through a governor's pardon, which is a completely different application process from record sealing. Pardons are very difficult to get, and in most cases, the Pardons Board won't consider granting a pardon unless several years have passed since your case ended. The important thing is not to possess a gun until if and when you get a pardon. Otherwise, you could be charged with illegal possession of a firearm, which is a felony carrying up to 6 years in prison. Additionally, the penalties for being a prohibited person in possession of a firearm can be much higher if you're prosecuted in federal court.